In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this sword grip pattern. Let's create a new cylinder. S, Y, and 90 to rotate the mesh 90 degrees on the Y axis. Type G, X, 1 to move the cylinder 1 unit to the right. In edit mode, let's move the right face like this. I'll duplicate the mesh and scale it to create a cap mesh at both ends. Select all 3 meshes and Ctrl J to join them. Right-click to shade smooth and auto-smooth the mesh like this as well. Let's create a plane. Press Tab to go to edit mode, 1 to select the vertices, and M to merge at the center. In edit mode, move the vertex like this. Let's extrude the vertex to create a line and add a screw modifier. We need to use the solidify modifier. The next part is the move difficult part of the tutorial. We need to somehow find a way to mirror this mesh to make them look like a sword grip. In order to do this, before we duplicate the mesh, we must press Ctrl A to reset all transforms. If we don't reset the transform, we won't be able to invert the mesh properly. Shift D to duplicate and type S, Y, and -1 to invert the mesh. Please lower the solidify thickness for the duplicated mesh. That looks cool, but we need one more set of grips on the cylinder. Apply all modifiers, select both meshes, and Ctrl J to join them. Shift D to duplicate S, Y, and -1 to invert scale the mesh. That's the sword grip pattern we needed to have. Let's scale the mesh a bit. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.